Yeah, sige, tara, tara.
So that dude in gray is her security staff. Yeah. Cool. So it's actually one of the nicest I saw, because usually the security staff makes Howie the people, but he's actually looks nice. And it's like, hey. So lucky for us to like bump into Michelle like this when we were like strolling lang dito sa may Glorieta. And yeah. And she even answered our question, yung pala bawal. Nakaset pala yung question for JGP pa lang. I thought it's like, you know, open for people. So now she's, I don't know, signing autographs, or I'm not sure what she's doing. Oh yeah, she is signing some, I think, photo cards or something. Yeah. So sorry guys, medyo English yung report ko ngayon. Yeah. So of course, if you're in my place, I mean, you would kind of lose your mind a bit if you suddenly see Michelle Lee. So yeah. Yeah, she's about to. Oh, okay. I thought she's also part of the, you know, Michelle's staff. Yeah. Even though she's about to leave, she's still nice enough to accommodate signing stuff for people.
Last picture with JGT, and then sabay-sabay natin.
So, yeah.
Eli. Last picture with JG team, tapos sabay-sabay.
So, yeah, by the way, if you're looking for like, you know, a nice store, and I know this, JG, I also buy from them sometimes, so JG, yeah. We're not gonna mention the other brand, but yeah, I also buy from there, but if I can't find stuff I want there, I buy from JG. And this is not a sponsored tool. Wow, it's really signing stuff.
Nakasakit daw eh. Nakasakit daw.
Okay, so we're gonna go.